Grand Miss Grand International Founder and President, Mr. Nawat Itzaragasin. Together with his team, Sakul Limpapanon. It's here, Chang. Sutep Prisamu. Putwarin Iyam Krakin. You're all here, all the way from Thailand. During CJ's recent coronation in Thailand last June 3, Nawat and the Miss Grand International Organization gave us all the warm welcome and make us feel right at home. That's why now it's our turn to return the favor. When we all heard about the surprising turn of events that happened during the last days of May, we were all curious as to what will happen to the current lineup of MGI Queens.